At Indoor Comfort Team, we understand how unsettling furnace noises can be, especially during the cold St. Louis winters. We've been helping homeowners since 1979, ensuring their homes remain warm and quiet. Unusual sounds like banging, whistling, or scraping often signal underlying issues. A whistling noise might indicate an air duct leak, while banging could be due to ignition problems. Scraping sounds often stem from blower wheel issues. Identifying these noises early can prevent further damage. Before calling a professional, try some basic troubleshooting. Check if air filters are clean and ensure vents are unblocked. Listen for the noise's location and type to better understand the issue. These steps can sometimes resolve minor problems. Regular maintenance is crucial for a quiet, efficient furnace. It extends the system's lifespan and improves energy efficiency. If noises persist, it's best to consult with HVAC experts to prevent costly repairs. For over 40 years, Indoor Comfort Team has been the trusted choice for St. Louis homeowners. If your furnace noise persists, call us at 314-230-9542. We're here to ensure your comfort and peace of mind.